袋米。
Rinse your mouth often and wash your hands frequently.
咁佢個名嘅喎，佢叫做益力多勇士啦。咁佢咧有啲嘢想同你哋講喎，我哋一齊。
大家好，你哋知唔知我係邊個呢？Yakult，冇錯，我就係益力多勇士啦。Yakult，嚟緊我哋要參觀我哋嘅生產線，所以要注意，我哋係要保持安靜，因為我哋會嘈到我哋嘅哥哥姐姐嘅Yakult。同埋現場嘅機器係唔可以拍攝㗎，老師同埋家長要注意翻。Yakult，你哋準備好出發未？Yakult，準備好，我哋就立刻出發。Yakult。
There are some add-on signs here. Different type of Yakult products. There are some Yakult and yogurts here. These are the different types of Yakults in different countries. Oh, look at this. Looks like a mailbox.
呢個就我冇具啦，咁影相影相啊，唔好嘥咗佢啊！
可唔可以跳隻舞啊？可唔可以跳隻舞啊？
有冇人影相啊？我幫佢揸機可以。有冇人要俾個電話我啦？想影㗎，係咪？唱歌。
已經搭照啦。
唔使搭合照啦。
最想影大合照啊！
有冇人想影？
你再跑多一次啊！再跑多一次啊！再跑多一次啊！佢唔跑啦！
咁係咯，行過啦。
好曳啊！佢跑先。最得意係呢條嘢。
你唔好走住啊！
好笑啊！拜拜。
咁我想問下，點解你哋會唔中意飲綠色咧？500個卡路里啦，咁你諗下多唔多啊？多。跟住話唔係嗰個。
These are all the ingredients inside a Yakult drink.
好啦，代甜又點解咧？好啦，不過我想話俾你聽，佢本身唔係咁快嘅，呢個係假。記唔記得乳酸菌要幾耐先發酵一次？1個禮拜。唔係。
乳酸菌呢度係邊度嚟㗎？呢度係100年前京都帝國大學醫學部代田，佢就係代田博士啦，係乳酸菌之父。係，佢就係乳酸菌之父。時候對人類健康有作用嘅細菌。
So he asked a question of what we need to do to be healthier, and I said exercise, and I won this souvenir. And he also gave a keychain and the newest free Yakult for everyone.
跟住仲要睄對眼入嚟。我突然間咁樣點影啊？
Wallpaper, and it makes you look like you're in the factory. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And I'll see you all with another traveling vlog. Bye!